So let's continue solving the MEXT exam, Math A 2013, question 1.1, okay? So he gave you this general function equation of a circle, and he wants the radius. There are two distinct ways for you to solve this. Now, the first, well, you need to know that the formula of the circle is x minus x of the center, I'm going to call it x0 squared, okay, plus y epsilon minus minus the epsilon of the center squared is equal to the radius squared. Okay, from where does this function come from? Equation. From where does it come from? Well, it is actually simple. Well, all you need to know, we are talking about a circle, right? So it would be right like this, and this would be the radius. Look, any point in the circumference would have and this is the radius. This will be x and this would be y, right? So x squared plus y squared is equal to the radius squared, right? This is where it comes from. But as we can move the center, the general formula would be this one over here. Now if you want, you can go ahead and take this part squared and then that other part squared too, okay, and 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 then find the similarity with this part. What am I talking about? Well, x squared minus 2x multiplied by x0 plus x0 squared plus y squared. You can do it this way, but the way I'm going to try to solve it is not this way, okay? I'm going to try to solve it in another way. 1 second. So x squared minus epsilon squared, so no, x squared plus, it will make sense in a second, okay, minus 4x plus 6 epsilon minus 12. 1 second. Yes, okay, so this is the thing we have. So what am I going to try to do? Well, remember the formula. If you have x squared plus 2x plus 1, this is equal to x plus 1 squared, right? If you put this part over here squared, you will get this one. So this is what I'm going to try to do to complete these squares, okay? So what I have here is x squared minus 4x, okay, and then I'm going to leave a space and come over here, y squared plus 6y, and the minus 12, I'm going to put it in the other side, equals 12. So over in this part over here and this space over here, I'm going to put a number such as I can complete the squares, okay? So which numbers are these numbers? Well, here I have 4 multiplied by x, right? So here I'm going to sum it with 4, and here I have 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, right? 6 is 2 multiplied by 3, and 3 squared is 9. Hold on a second, it will make sense. So I added 4 and 9 to this part of the equation. I need to add them in the other side too, right? 4 plus 9 is 13, right? Okay, so what do we have now? Look, this part over here is a perfect square. I didn't do anything special, okay? I added 9 in this part and 4 in this part. It is 13. So I add 13 in both sides, which can cancel up. But why is this so perfect? Well, because this part of x squared minus 4x, you can write it as x minus 2 squared. And this part, when I change it, it will be prettier. Okay, one sec. Y plus 3 squared is equal to 25. So this is what we have over here. X minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 25. What does this make? Well, remember the whole equation. X minus x0 squared, x of the center, plus y minus over here, minus y of the center squared equals the radius squared, right? So our centers are 2 and minus 3, and our radius is 5, because 5 squared is 25. So our answer is 5.